Welcome back to CJ's Keto Kitchen. Tonight we're going to be making one of my favorite go-to dishes, especially when I'm in a time crunch, and it is a keto German stir fry. So this is kind of a hybrid of Asian food and German food, and it's very easy, and you can do it all different kinds of variations. So please come along with us and let's get started. So a little history behind this dish. It's one of my personal favorites because it's something that my dad would always make when he was doing the cooking, and my dad did a lot of cooking when I was growing up. Only of course, being from southern Idaho, potatoes were always involved in this dish. So this is exactly what he would make with the brats and the cabbage. It's just minus the potatoes. So this is my take on his German stir fry.
This stir fry calls for some extra preparation. So you'll need to dice some green onions, about 3 of them, as well as chop your Bratwurst into about a ½ inch chunks, or something close to that size.
I'm going to take a small skillet next door and I'm going to toast our sesame seeds for later. And we're just going to do that in a dry pan. I just have regular sesame seeds that I got in the bulk foods, and I'm going to put them evenly in a dry pan, and I'm going to put the temperature on low and just toast them a little bit. Okay, so I've let my brats cook and brown, and I've also broken them up a little bit with my spatula and also a pair of kitchen shears, a cook's best friend, just to make them into more bite-sized pieces. So they're almost fully cooked. I see just a little bit of pink, so it just needs just another minute. And then we'll start adding our other ingredients. Okay, it's time to add our other ingredients. I'm going to add about a teaspoon or so of toasted sesame oil. And you really want the toasted because it has that roasted flavor to it. So I'm just going to sprinkle that a little bit over, just kind of eyeball it. I'm also going to add a little bit of 21 seasoning salute. I'm going to add a little bit of garlic powder. That around. You can really smell the toasted sesame oil. And then I'm also going to add just a little of coconut amino acids. I just got this in bulk foods at the grocery store, but you can also order big bottles of it. It's very similar to soy sauce, but it doesn't have quite as many carbs in it. So I'm just going to sprinkle some of that in. But it will give it that nice soy flavor, the toasting. Okay, then we're going to add our chopped green onions, and this is about 3 green onions, chopped and diced very finely, but not too fine. I'm just going to throw those guys in. Just give that a stir around. Now, if you had a wok, you could absolutely do this in a wok. If stir frying is something you do often and you have all the equipment. So now we're going to take 1 bag of coleslaw mix, and or you can use broccoli slaw, whatever you like to use as far as your cabbage product. You can of course cut up your own cabbage, you can use angel cabbage, whatever you'd like, but coleslaw mix is super easy. So I'm just going to dump the whole thing in there, and this was 14 ounces. And just stir everything around, get it combined. We want all of these flavors to combine. So once we get all of our cabbage combined, we're going to just kind of stir fry it for about 1 to 2 minutes. And then we're going to put a lid on it and turn it down a little bit so that the cabbage has a chance to get soft and steam a little bit since we've already stir-fried our other ingredients. So I'm just going to put a lid on it, and I'm going to turn it down a little bit, and we'll just let it steam for a minute, and I will show you when I get ready to stir it. Okay, our sesame seeds are done. I don't know if you can tell, but they're nicely browned, and they smell really good. So they'll be ready for us to garnish our dish with when it's over. So our cabbage is starting to get nicely steamed. Smells good. Okay, so our German stir fry is done, and we are going to plate it, and then CJ will have a yummy taste test. So I'm getting ready to plate here. Now here comes the fun part. Because this is a German stir fry, you can go one of several ways, or you can do both. You can go the Asian flair with your toasted sesame seeds, or you can go sour cream and grated cheese and just go all out German. So what would you like, CJ?
All out German.
All out German. Okay, so we are going to sprinkle some cheese on there. And some sour cream. Voila. There is our German stir fry. And it's completely keto. Hi, CJ.
Hi, Sarah.
You're going to try another delicious meal for us.
Yes.
This time we're going to Germany by way of Asia. So we are having a keto German stir fry.
Okay. Let's see how it tastes. That's good. That's really good.
Good.
Wow. Really flavorful. I'm not sure if it's German though.
I think it's German. The broths make it German, and so does the cabbage.
Oh, okay.
But I did add toasted sesame oil. That's what makes it a stir fry.
Mm-hmm.
So it's a hybrid.
Yeah.
You would call that food fusion, right? If we were going to be really snobby.
Food fusion?
Yeah.
Wow. I feel like I need to be paying you to eat this. It's really good.
Good.
And I'm not just saying that because of you. It's really
Thank
good.
you. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Thanks for joining us again tonight, you guys. We hope that you enjoyed the German stir fry and that you will make it a family favorite like it was in my family. We would like you to be a part of our family, our ketogenic family, so we would like you to please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell and coming back and joining us for more content. We have keto conversations on Wednesdays, and we upload new recipes on Sundays. So please come back and see us. If you need any further information, recipe information, macros, other recipe ideas, you can always check out our blog, and that's cjsketokitchen.com. So we'll see you next time. Bye.